Traveling in an RV sure is fun.
But it can also be dangerous.
We're going to show you something that'll keep you and your family safe.
So stay tuned. Hey everybody, I'm Natasha.
And I'm Bill.
And we're nursing our travel bug. I'm a traveling nurse.
And I'm a stay-at-home dad.
And together with our 2 children and our dog, we have been venturing all over the country in our fifth wheel RV for almost 5 years now.
It's been awesome. We've been all over this country. We've done amazing things, seen amazing places. I've ate amazing food.
That's true. And while it is exciting to explore and see new places, one of the things that we've always worried about is the safety of our family when we're traveling to destination unknown.
And we were thinking about this video and some things come to mind that RVers are constantly worrying about. And in my mind, the first one is the black tank. Everyone's worried about the poo. And the second is definitely propane.
Yes. Now, I did a little bit of research, and on propane101.com, they mention that 25% of all carbon monoxide related deaths are due to propane. And if you're an RVer like we are, you are utilizing propane every single day. So that risk for us RVers is a lot higher.
So when we first heard about GasStop, we realized we not only want to purchase this item, but wouldn't it be cool to partner with them to show other people how amazing this product is also?
Absolutely. So yes, this is a partnership video with the makers of GasStop, and we are going to share with you the reasons why we chose to partner with them and all of the amazing benefits this little device gives you, in addition to peace of mind.
Right off the bat, GasStop wants you to know that this product has 3 major functions. 1, it will protect you if there's a catastrophic leak or failure.
2, it will also let you know if you are experiencing a minor or a slow leak.
3, just by looking at the dial here, you can see if you're running low on propane.
Now, while the price for this GasStop product may be a little higher than what you're anticipating, you can't put a price tag on safety. And the makers of GasStop have so much faith in their product that they have put a 5-year manufacturer warranty on their product. So they stand behind what they make. Now, because we did partner with GasStop, we were able to get this product for free, but we have a special promo code just for you to help you save.
I like saving money.
So check out our description down below for that special code. So you can save 10% off this amazing product.
Now that we told you about the product, let's show you how to get it installed on your propane tanks. It's really quite simple. You just take this, screw it onto your propane tank. Let's show you what it looks like where the propane actually goes.
And now we're just going to hook it up to our propane line. Now that we are hooked up, we are going to turn on the propane tank and prime the GasStop by depressing here a few times until we see our needle move. Step number 1 is making sure that all of your appliances inside the RV are turned completely off. Step number 2 is to turn on the propane tank and prime GasStop about 4 or 5 times. Then turn off the propane tank. Register the exact position of the needle for about 3 minutes. If the needle remains in the same position after that 3-minute period, you have no leaks. The propane tank is safe to be turned back on. Now, of course, if the needle does drop during that 3-minute period, you have a leak. And of course, do not use your system until you have resolved that leak.
So as you can see, that's really easy to get installed. Also, GasStop does make a 90-degree adapter that will take the pressure off your hose if you're worried about adding that extra length from the GasStop itself.
Yeah, it's a fantastic product. I love it. And most importantly, it takes away any stress and worry I have about a propane leak. So I don't have to worry about the safety of my family. It doesn't matter what this baby costs, I will pay it because you cannot put a price tag on safety.
Now we can get out there and have some fun. Enjoy the RV life without at least having to worry about one thing.
Well, I do think it is time to dump the black tank.
Well, I gotta go. Well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video informative and useful. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up.
And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and ring the notification bell so you can be notified anytime we release a travel nurse video, RV tips and tricks or product reviews video, or just a family adventure video.
Drop a comment down below. What do you think about this product? What do you worry about? What's your biggest concerns with RV life?
And do you think this product would give you peace of mind?
Well, I'm Bill.
And I'm Natasha.
And we are nursing our travel bug.
Encouraging you to nurse what makes you happy. Happy RVing, everybody.
Guess I gotta go do some chores now.
Mm-hmm.